Hey guys, Jake and Noah here. Today we're going to look at a plant that is best known not for its use as a cover crop, but for being a southern comfort food. An interesting fact about cover crop seed is that a lot of these plants are best known not for their work in the soil, but for their use as food. And a primary example of this is okra.
So like most other broadleafs, okra is a warm season plant that grows really well in the south. It has a deep taproot which helps break compaction and allows it to survive in heat and drought. Now it is adapted to soils that are heavy clay and places that receive intermittent moisture. Okra is in the cotton family, so it needs 8 to 10 hours of full sunlight a day in order to grow these pods. Warm weather helps these pods grow quickly, going from nothing to full size in 2 to 3 days. Now livestock love to graze okra because these pods are high in vitamins A, C, and K, and other minerals and vitamins that help strengthen the immune system and bones.
Okra does have a woody stem, so you don't want it to grow too long. In 60 to 80 days, okra can become 4 to 6 feet tall. That can be an advantage, however, because these stems make a great snow catch to capture moisture during the winter months. If planted in May, this crop will grow throughout the year and survive until November when the first freeze hits.
So a full rate of okra is 7 pounds, but in a diverse mix you would only add about a pound an acre. The cost is $1.05 for 73,000 seeds, so okra is a really cheap option for adding diversity to your mix.
If you want to learn more about okra, visit our website at greencoverseed.com.
Or call our office at 402-469-6784.
And don't get all of your advice from Oprah, just plant okra.